Hello Blogineers, today we're going to unbox and review the Curious Elevator of Mr. Hincks, which is an escape room game. Alright, I'm going to open this box up. It says open for adventure. And here we are. Oh, there's a pencil.
It's a pencil holder.
There's a pencil with a pencil holder here. And the pencil says Hincks Observatory. Clear, then square, then circle.
That's for a puzzle, I think.
Not part of game. This product contains small pieces that may be a choking hazard. Over here it says, welcome friends. The elevator is ready. Time to puzzle your way to the top. Read this page, then make your way to hinkselevator.com. I've left a present for you on every floor. It is of great importance that you open each gift post-haste, as it will guide you to the materials needed to solve that floor and include vital information. To move on to the next floor, a one-word password will be needed to be entered on the elevator screen. Other items you interact with, which require codes, may not follow this rule. Below, I've provided space for you to keep track of the floors and passwords. Hints are available if you need them within the elevator, with the first hint being the materials list of items necessary to solve the current floor. While you will want to use these sparingly, if at all, my goal is to engage and invigorate, not to frustrate. The time has come. Go to hinkselevator.com. I will see you at the top and in the Hall of Fame soon. So I guess the objective of the game is to make it from the bottom floor to the top, and at each floor there's going to be a puzzle. You can keep track of floors here, passwords here, and what else is in the box? Offbeat music. There's also Hincks elevator here. There's a maximum capacity, minimum IQ. Okay. Minimum IQ is 205. Number of floors is unknowable. Valid until 2019. Uh-oh. It's 2021. Number of exits is 3. The speed is 3,000 meters a second. That's a lot. Insured value, $59,999. And location, 22 Hincks Road. Okay. Of course, there's a warning for choking hazards, but I like how they put not part of the game. Because imagine if this card was actually part of the game. And also, Hinksy Land. That sounds oddly familiar to a place in Anaheim. So here's a postcard. Greetings from Hinksy Land. 1, 2, cobble my kicks. Shoe repair.
Kicks.
Ooh, it's a to-do list. There's 7, so I wonder how this relates to the game. Maybe 7 floors?
I think this is some unscrambling words puzzle.
Mapiza happen.
Hey, there's another postcard.
Oh, another.
Wait, I think we should keep these in order.
No.
No, because there's different postcards.
No, it's fine.
Why?
Oh, however, yeah, the postcards do say different stuff. There's also elevator permit renewal application. Do not be late with your application. Upside down submissions greatly appreciated. What? On-site learning. Is this Braille?
Wait, let me see.
I think it's Braille.
Yep, that's Braille.
Oh, this looks like a paper airplane, except that it's a paper triangle with one of these fancy red seals. Dentist?
Dentist. Oh, it's one of these dial letter things.
Is this a... Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, there's a lot more things in here.
Okay, this is a lot. Stephen
I think we should keep
Hincks'
in order.
Big Little Book.
I think we should keep it in order.
Okay.
Hey, but it's already messed up.
Is this Jeffrey's Burgers 50 cents discount?
Oh, we can
Another
use that.
greetings from Hinksyland postcard.
Hincks Gazette.
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 It's Gazette.
Gazette.
So a newspaper.
It's a blueprint like this. It fits a kind of marker. I don't know.
What's this? Hincks Tower Directory. Okay.
The Hincks Gazette.
It's Gazette. On Fleek Stash Company.
Hinksyland.
Okay, another Hinksyland postcard. We're almost to the bottom.
SP Hinkstonk.
Oh, this is all part of the Gazette, I think.
Oh, there's another dial. Oh, so it kind of fits with this. Okay.
And lastly, on the bottom, it says refill materials for replay. Oh, that's nice. So I guess if you play it one time, then maybe some of the puzzles require like a drawing on it or something. So here are refills. And it says don't open unless you want a spoil. We'll do a live playthrough of this escape room and we'll come back with our review and final thoughts. And we're back. We did a live playthrough of the Curious Elevator of Mr. Hincks, and it was really fun. One thing I liked about the game is that for all the puzzles, you don't really have to destroy the game components, except for this one puzzle that was very unique. It was probably the best puzzle in here, and you did have to destroy it. However, they give you a refill pack so that once you destroy that certain game piece, if you want to replay it, then you can just take it out of the envelope.
My favorite puzzle was the ones with postcards.
Oh yeah, there was a postcard and a big map and you had to use the color keys. I can't spoil it, but it involved color keys. I liked all of the puzzles because they were all interesting, and a lot of the puzzles I've never seen in any other escape room. And another unique aspect of this game is that you go from level to level on the elevator to do each puzzle on each floor. Oh yeah, and at the end of the game, there was a puzzle where you had to do something with all of the elevator floors, and that was really cool. Another thing you can order from Bluefish Games are these monthly gazettes. In the escape room, there was a puzzle that involved reading a gazette and solving puzzles on it. That puzzle was fun, and what's even better is that you can order more of them. For example, in this January packet, you would get the January Gazette, and it looks like this. So it's full of more puzzles for you to solve. Once again, if this looks fun to you, you can order it at the link in the description. Bye!